Today we're gonna make chicken Francese with artichoke hearts. This is a great one. Here's all the ingredients. Let's get into it right now. I'm just gonna pound out the thicker area. This is very thin right here, so I don't need to. So just a little bit, just to flatten them out. Don't worry about the thickness level, just get them equal thickness. And now you have a perfectly thin cutlet. All right, so I always like to go over the ingredients. We're gonna do it from left to right. I have eggs. Basically, eggs are gonna be what the batter is made out of, and flour. So it's just a flour and egg wash. Artichoke hearts, use 2 cans of artichoke hearts, maybe a little bit less. You can really buy any type you want. These are in water. They're not the ones that are in oil, and I recommend you just get the ones that are in the cans that come in water. For the sauce, I have 3/4 cup of dry white wine. I'm using Sauvignon Blanc, but any dry white wine would be fine. I have 1.5 cups of low sodium chicken stock. I have the juice of 1 lemon. This isn't all for the sauce, but I have 8 tablespoons of butter here. We're gonna use part of that butter to fry the chicken. And then I have these lemon slices that will go in at the end. Parsley will go into our egg wash and will also be used for finishing. And then the chicken, I have 2 pounds of it that we filleted and pounded flat, and we're just gonna season them up. So let's set up our frying station for the chicken right now. All right, I got everything set up here in my, I have a stove over there. I do. This is actually, you need a lot of room. So wherever your stove is, make sure that you have like enough room for your flour, your egg, and then your fry station. Basically more than 1/4 cup of parsley here. But I'm gonna put in a couple tablespoons, maybe 3 tablespoons in there. I beat these eggs in a bowl and then I just put it inside of here. And this is just gonna be our egg wash that gives it that like very unique Francese coating. All right, so that's our egg wash there. Over here I have my chicken that I put salt and pepper on one side. I'm gonna put it on the other. This isn't as critical with this dish, but still just dry your chicken off. Salt on the other side too. You really want to season your chicken well. Chicken doesn't have a lot of flavor. Get your salt and pepper on it. That flour is gonna lock it in and the egg coating, and the salt will be there. All right, so the chicken's good, and I'm gonna use a non-stick pan for this, guys. You can definitely use stainless, but there's no need to. So if there's no need and you really wanna make sure nothing sticks, use a non-stick. I'm gonna heat this up to about a 4 out of 10. Heat this up, it's a non-stick, so you don't have to really wait for it to heat up before you put your oil in, and I'm gonna put oil down. So I'm gonna put a decent amount, like probably 2 or 3 tablespoons, and I'm using olive oil, I'm not using extra virgin. Many recipes will use garlic in this, they'll use cheese. You go ahead if you want to, but in the end, this dish is really just that wine and the lemon juice. If you wanted to put garlic in, you could put it in now, maybe a couple full cloves of garlic to flavor your oil. That would be basically the time that you can do it. The pan has heated up enough. I have my flour and I have the egg wash. I'm gonna take the chicken into the flour. I'm gonna grab 2 pieces. Now you can do this on parchment paper to make it easier. Do all your chicken first in flour, but I'm just gonna do it like this. All right, so I have the piece right here, and we're gonna put it right in the egg wash, just shaking off the excess, right in the egg wash. I'm gonna put it on both sides, just turn it over. Simple as that. Honestly, the hardest thing about doing this is just me doing this on camera for you, just trying to get the angle so you can see inside of it. I don't want my pan too hot, so I'm just gonna drip it off the side and right in. And yep, that pan is definitely not that hot. But that's all right, it doesn't matter. It'll come up. Okay, I'm gonna put in the butter now too. You could do it right away in the beginning, but I like to put it in after the oil has been going. What I want to avoid here is that's why I'm not using the stainless. I don't want it to get the butter to get black, start burning, and then have to then do another 2 or 3 batches. And then I'll have to, at that point, I would have to clean my pan, which I just don't want to do. Okay, so what I did was I floured the rest of the chicken. You can see over here, I floured it, and I put it on a piece of parchment paper. So now it's set up. You guys know I do that often when we're making cutlets and stuff. It's been going for about 3.5 minutes. Again, we have our pan kind of low here. We're not really high. And you know, it's gonna take a couple more minutes longer than it would cook if we had our stainless pan at medium heat. All right, but that's really nice like that. This is what I want. Like that egg color, not really burnt. It just soaks up the butter into the chicken. Another 3 minutes, we're cooking these basically until they're done, and then we're gonna put them on paper towels and let them drain, and we will just repeat. We're gonna have to do 2 more batches. Touch the chicken, that's pretty much done. See, and that's what we want it to look like, right like that. Okay. If you got enough butter in there, you know, if not, just add more. We have a stick of butter, we can use it, and then we're gonna use a little bit more for the sauce. All right, we'll flip these. I think I probably got a little bit better color on this batch. Yep, that looks a little bit better. It's nice, a little browner. I just, you know, you wanna get it to that point, like that's a little light. Just, if you go too much, then you run into problems. All right, guys, chicken's done. I turned the heat down to about medium-low. Here's how it all looks. Okay. Just set them off to the side. You're gonna make the sauce quick. You could tent it if you want. You don't really have to. I'm gonna put in 3 tablespoons of flour. So I'm gonna just take the remainder, what I have here. I have enough. Now, if you don't have a lot of butter in the pan, which I don't, add a couple more tablespoons. I'm gonna add 3 more. And then just start whisking it together. I'm using a nylon whisk because I have a non-stick pan. Okay. I'm lowering the heat even more. I don't really want it to brown too much. All right, I turned my heat off while I'm doing it. I just want to get into a smooth paste. And then I have 3/4 cup of dry white wine. I'm gonna put that in here. I'm turning my heat up. And I'm just gonna cook this for about a minute just to get that harsh alcohol taste out of it. And it'll thicken up very quickly. I don't even need a minute. That's good. And here's the stock. Blend this together, and now you're gonna have your sauce. Oh yeah, one more thing, the lemon juice. I'm gonna start with like 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Instead of going for 2 right away, we'll go with 1. Artichokes are, you know, they're put in citric acid. That's how they keep them. So you don't have to go crazy with the lemon juice here. We're also gonna add those lemon slices at the end. There's our consistency right there. All right, I'm gonna lower it down to about medium now. Here's the artichoke hearts. I'm gonna put in most of them, about 1.5 cans. And I just saved them to the end because, you know, I don't want them to like fall apart completely, though they will fall apart. I'm gonna put some black pepper in here. And we'll taste for salt and everything, but I'm pretty sure that's good. That's delicious. Okay, lowering it even more here. I'm gonna get our chicken in, and then we're good. Put a little bit of parsley in there too. I'm gonna put the chicken in very gently. Chicken's hot right now. It doesn't need more than a minute or 2 in here. But I'll just scoop the sauce, get it on top. Yeah, you could gently move the chicken around, but I don't really want the coating to come off. Oh yeah, the other thing I forgot was the lemon slices. So I'm gonna put about half of them in and now let it cook for, you know, just a couple of minutes here. And then the last bit you can use for your garnish. And that's gonna increase the lemon flavor a little bit more. We still have more lemon juice. Just get it to your liking. If you want more lemon juice, just add it in. That's all you have to do. All right, we got the taste tester again. Hello.
Hi. So, chicken Francese?
With artichoke hearts.
Yeah, it looks good.
I'm gonna cut it, all right?
This is like chicken piccata, right?
It's like chicken piccata, but but not, you know, it's its own dish.
It's a lemon.
Lemon. That can be your fork. I'm gonna get my fork. Let me see.
Let's try an artichoke heart.
Well, what do you think? I mean, what is it? Does it need something? Is it too lemony? Is it not lemony enough? I think it could use even more lemon juice. What do you think?
Well, my opinion is just right. But other people, like, they might want more lemon juice, maybe less lemon. But I think this gets a 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10? Listen, man. He's giving me a lot of 10s lately. Trust, I'm telling you, it's not fixed.
Last video gave me 9.
That's right. And they don't know where the order of them either.
Yeah. It's really good.